Hello, welcome to the Microsoft Office Essential training. We'll be looking at Microsoft Word, what Microsoft Word is all about, and how it can help us in our everyday life and make things easier. So without much, I want to introduce you to Microsoft Office Word 2016. On first start, you are welcomed with the template screen. And on the template screen, you have a few of the markers here which will help you start a new project and so on and so forth. So on your left hand side, you have the recent documents, which will show any recent documents you've been working with. Then you come to the templates area, which houses a number of templates which can help you create any kind of Word template, any kind of document template. If you are not so familiar with Word, then it will help you go through it easily. You can also search for templates online over here within categories such as business, education, cards, events, letters, flyers, and even holiday. Then on our right hand side, we have your login status, the account you logged in with. You have that here. We are logged in with our business accounts, so you see that here. And then Microsoft always wants you to tell them whether you like their apps or not, so they'll have the like and dislike app icons here or emojis here. We also have the scroll bar here, which will give you access to a lot of the other templates we have not seen yet. Any of the templates here can just get you started with ease in the Microsoft Office suite. They are free and you can just access them with just a simple click. That said, let's have a look at how Microsoft Word 2016 looks like. You go ahead and we click blank documents. Once you click the blank document, it brings you to the very first page. You see that at the top here we have document 1. That is the current name of the Microsoft Office document you've opened. Whatever name you give the document will show up here. Over here we have the quick access toolbar. Then we have the minimize, maximize, and then close button on the upper right corner. We have a series of tabs at the top here which controls information below them here. What we see here is what we call the ribbon. In the Microsoft Office 2016 suite, you work with ribbons, and the ribbons help you to have various options of how you can customize your documents, how you can work with your documents, and so on and so forth. On the home tab, you have the clipboard grouping, you have the fonts grouping, you have the paragraph grouping, you have the styles grouping, and then you have the editing groupings. You go to the insert tab on the ribbon, and you equally have pages groupings, tables groupings, illustrations groupings, add-ins, links, headers and footers, text, symbols, and so on and so forth. The design tab also gives you a series of nice features on the ribbon, such as the theme, colors to apply to the themes, fonts you can change for the whole theme. You have the paragraph spacing, the effects, and so on and so forth. Then you have page background, where you can set your watermark, your color page, or you pay the color for your page, and then you can create borders for your page here as well. On the layout, we have the page setup, where you have your margins, you have your orientation, you have your size of the paper, you have the columns, and other useful tools you can use here. You equally have your paragraph, that's spacing and the indentation. Then we have the arrangement figure or feature, which will help you arrange your document in certain ways. We also have the reference tab, which gives us the opportunity to create table of contents, add text to our table of contents, update the table. Then we have footnotes, we have smart lookup research, we have the citation and biography or bibliography. Then we have the captions, indexing, and then table of authorities. We'll later on come and take a look at all of them one after the other and see how useful they could be for us. We have the mailings, which helps you to create labels for your envelopes, regular labels. It helps you to create what we call the mail merge, where you put in addresses of a lot of your recipients, and then with a click of a button, it will just send, it will just print on the documents, be it letters or envelopes directly. Then we have write and insert fields, we have preview results, we have the finish, we have the merge to, and so on and so forth. Okay. On the review tab, we equally have the spell and grammar check. We have the word count, which can equally be found here. We have the accessibility check. In Microsoft Word 2016, you could just translate a word you do not understand if it's in a different language right from the software without having to go to a browser to open up an interpreter or a translator. Then you have your language, you have your comments, you have the opportunity to track changes you make in the document, and then you can see the changes you are making as well, and so on and so forth. Then you have the view tab. The view tab gives you the opportunity to reorient your window into reading the print layout mode, the web layout mode, the outline or draft mode. And then you can split or rearrange your pages from here. You can show rulers or hide rulers. You can show grid lines or hide grid lines. You can equally pop up the navigation pane to help you easily move through your documents. Then you have the zoom area, which could help you zoom into the documents or view the pages one after the other, or multiple pages on the go. You equally have the arrangement window area. Then you have macros, and then SharePoint. Then there is help, which can help you with any information you would need on the documents. You're seeing Acrobat here because we have the Acrobat plugin installed. Any other plugin you install can equally show on your document window here. In the next video, we'll talk about the Tell Me Assistant, or Tell Me What You Want to Do, a very useful tool in the Office suite, and then sharing options. They'll go a bit detail into the File tab, what it is, and how it can be very helpful and useful to you whenever you work on documents. We'll look at how you can customize the documents as well, and we'll look at how you make the Microsoft Office Word 2016 suit our very needs. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Joseph. I'll catch you in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Leave us a comment below, and let's look at how we can equally help you. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.